Hi students, today we are starting with properties of genetic material. A molecule that act as a genetic material must fulfill few criteria. It should be able to generate its replica, means it should be easy to replicate, means to divide in two pieces. It should be structurally and chemically stable. It should be providing scope for slow changes that are required for evolution. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characteristic. Mendelian characters are what? We are aware about that. We have studied in previous chapter. It should have the ability to direct its duplication. Means whenever requirement is there, it can duplicate or it can make it double also. It should be stable enough not to change with different stages of life cycle, age, or with changes in the physiology of the organism. Now, better genetic material, DNA or RNA. In light, DNA's two strands are complementary if separated by heating. At this time, RNA will be liable, easily degradable and hence reactive. DNA is chemically less reactive and structurally more stable when compared to RNA. Thus, DNA is better genetic material. Presence of thymine at the place of uracil shows additional stability of DNA. Both DNA and RNA are able to mutate. Mutate means immediate changes, mutation. RNA being unstable mutates at a faster rate. Viruses having RNA, that is known as genome, and having shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. RNA can directly code for synthesis of protein, hence it expresses characters easily. DNA being more stable is preferred for storage of genetic information. In viruses, for the transmission of genetic information, RNA is better. Now, we will see the difference between DNA and RNA. Now, as you can see, this is the DNA structure, this is the RNA structure. In DNA, this is thymine, and RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. Rest all three nucleotides are common in DNA or RNA: adenine, guanine, cytosine. In DNA, what is thymine? It is replaced by uracil in RNA. Now, you can see this is the DNA is double stranded, RNA is single stranded. You can see this pentagonal structure. Here, pentagonal structure. You can see how it is: OH, CH2, O, OH, H and OH in RNA, and here H and H. Here H and CH, here H and OH, and OH, CH2 and H in DNA, and OH, CH2 and H in RNA. Now we will study, this is adenine. You can see ammonium group, one single bond, one double bond. Guanine, this is NH group, oxygen, and you can see the difference. This is double bond, then 1, 2, 3 single bond, then double bond. Here also same. Cytosine, you can see here nitrogen, ammonia group, oxygen, then NH. So it was concluded that in RNA, single stranded structure will be there, and which is the better genetic material in viruses and other organism, higher organism. DNA is the better genetic material which is double stranded. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.